Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices and getting the connection right. Plug the camera into the computer with a reliable cable, then power the camera on. Open the Fujifilm Tether app. Allow any driver prompts. Once done, set the camera to USB tether mode so the app recognizes it. You'll see a connection indicator. Wait for thumbnails to appear. If thumbnails don't load within a few seconds, toggle the camera's USB setting and relaunch the app. Now you configure how shooting will work and why each option matters. You select your camera in the app, confirm live view is active, and then choose RAW or JPEG depending on post workflow, RAW for maximum latitude. Next, set a save folder on your drive to keep files organized and enable auto-import if you want images to appear instantly in editing software. Adjust exposure and focus controls inside the Tether app. You're ready to capture. Use the app's shutter button or a remote to take test shots, then review them on your monitor for composition and exposure. Once happy, continue shooting. Save and back up files periodically to avoid loss. If the app freezes or the camera disconnects, first replug the cable and wait 5 seconds before reconnecting. If that fails, quit and relaunch the app, or toggle the camera's USB tether mode. These quick steps fix most common issues and get you back shooting fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.